Good morning, children. Welcome you all to the virtual session on distance. Distance, the difference between 2 points, two limits, two objects, two places, and two destinations. Distance is well measured in centimeters, inches, yards, kilometers, and miles, or through moments, seconds, minutes, hours, and days. Distance is a journey traveled through foot, bicycles, vehicles, boats, ships, aeroplanes, and rockets. During lockdown period, India traveled distances. People towards village braved their unfortunate days on road and in sea, on feet, bicycles and boats for days together. Distance, rabbit covered, tortoise too, but in different ways and styles. Dear students, distance can be far or near, but our nearest destination is our mother. Thank you. Dear students, today's undertaking distance. On map, objects are scattered about, and to know the relative distance between the scattered objects, there is a need of a measurement, and measurement can be well made in linear scale or graphical scale. Distance are of two types: the shortest distance or direct distance, and second one is a winding distance. Shortest distance, direct distance, is also said to be the crow fly distance, as the crow flies straight, and that is called the crow fly distance. And to measure the crow fly distance or the shortest distance between two settlements, what is to be done? Task: measure the direct distance between Ramsida and Jigal. In that case, you reach the concerned points Ramsida and Jigal, two villages. There you find where is the shortest distance found. Now place the strip of paper here. Now look at this. A strip of paper is required, and place a strip of paper here by seeing the shortest distance. There you mark the two limits. Here I have marked the two limits. This is the shortest distance between two places. And now take the strip of paper and put along the linear scale. The left limit on 0 graduation mark, then start measuring towards right, towards primaries. 1, 2, 3 up to this. So you write here 3 kilometer. And this is the surplus. This surplus to be measured in secondaries. And the last limit, extreme right limit, to be put on 0 graduation mark, and start measuring towards your left. And this is only one secondary, that means 100 meters. So 3 kilometer plus 100 meters. So total distance is 3.1 kilometer or 3100 meters. This way we measure the direct distance. Clear? Now children, winding distance. Winding distance or zigzag distance, as the road goes or as the river flows. Task is given to you: measure the distance between Ramsida and Jigal along the car track. You see, this is the marked line, runs very zigzag way, and this is the car track. In this context, you need to take the help of a twine or a thread. Now look at this, it is a thread. And here, in the extreme left limit, you mark a point on the thread or on the twine. Then put this point on the starting point of your car track and twist the thread as the line goes or as the car track goes. You twist the thread as the line goes or as the car track grows. Accordingly, you travel and go towards the last limit of Jigal, and here you mark another limit. Followed? Then this way you get 2 points, the left limit and the right limit, and make the twine straight and put at 0 graduation mark. Start measuring towards your right or towards the primaries. as it comes at 5 kilometer. So the distance between Ramsida Jiggle along the cart track is 5 kilometer. Clear? Now children, area calculation. Area of a place is obtained from the product of length and breadth. In the topographical sheets, each grid square is of 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So 2 into 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter square, or its ground equivalent is 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer square. Clear? Because it is on the basis of the scale 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. Now task will be given to you. Calculate the area between eastings 23-26 and northings 78-82. Look at here. Eastings 23 to 26 and northing 78 to 82, 78 to 82 and 23 to 26. This area to be calculated, and you know the formula, length into breadth. Its breadth here is 23 to 26 easting. So 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So map distance is 6 centimeter. Similarly, here you see the area distance from 78 to 82, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So 8 centimeter. And on the basis of the scale 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer, its ground equivalent will be 6 cm divided by 2, 3 kilometer, and 8 cm divided by 2, 4 kilometer. So now area 3 kilometer into 4 kilometer, so total is 12 kilometer square. So the area here is obtained 12 kilometer square. Clear? This way the total area can be calculated.